We'll guide you through how to fix a PC or laptop that will keep restarting again and again in Windows 11, 10, or even 7. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because perhaps you're trying to go and do something and it just keeps on restarting again and again. So we're going to guide you through how you can start fixing this and stop it restarting. Watch this video and then you can try doing it, as you need to do this quickly before it goes and restarts again. So to get started, we need to come to the bottom and you can go and find the option for search, and you want to go and click in there, and you want to go and type in control panel. Type it in. As you can see, there it is. You then want to go and click on it. This will open up, and in here you want to go and find system and security. Click here. Then in system and security, what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for system. Click here. Now what's going to happen is this won't happen in Windows 10 and 7, but when it opens up your about here, what you need to do is go and scroll down. I'll just go and have to hide some of these numbers here. And you want to go and find related links, advanced system settings, and click there. And this will then open up. This shouldn't go and open up on Windows 10 or 11. If it does, do the same thing though. Go and find advanced system settings. And in advanced, it should be there by default. You then want to go and find startup and recovery. And in here, you need to go and find the option for settings. And you can go and press that over to the right. This opens up and you want to come down to system failure and you'll see the option automatically restart. So what you can do is go and unselect it, and you can then go to the bottom and go and press OK. So now we can press OK again, and now it should go and stop restarting. If it does go and restart another time, it should then go and stop because that's now been turned off. But it's important to note that this is happening because of the system failure. Now that you've stopped that, we need to go and resolve the system failure. As there is a deeper issue happening, but at least now you can try and resolve it and it doesn't keep restarting in order to go and fix the problem. That's it. So hopefully out of this video, you managed to go and get it done before it went and restarted again. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.